Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a withdrawal of money from OneXBet Nepal. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to menu, then at the upmost right corner, go to settings. Once in settings, you'll see make a deposit and withdraw from account. Go to withdraw from account and then choose the methods in Nepal present to make a withdrawal of funds. Choose the most appropriate method for you, fill in the different informations asked, and you'll be able to withdraw your funds.